What happened?
It broke. We have a whole bunch of hay to chop.
Well, could you get a new piece?
Well, I'm going to call the dealer. Hello? Yeah, I need a part for the head of my chopper. You don't have it? Ah, all right. Well, I don't know. I'll have to figure something else out.
Well, if they don't have it, I know a place we can get it.
Really?
Yeah. Let's go at Asher Machine Works.
Okay, where are they at?
Right here in Ephrata.
Oh, well, we'll have to give them a call and go check them out.
In this particular instance, we were doing some reverse engineering on it, so we had to take it through our design department where they were able to inspect it, reverse engineer it, and make a model up for it. And once that raw material came in, it could go through our machine shop and weld shop, and then through our quality department to ensure that the part is what the customer wanted. At that point, it gets shipped out to the customer, trying to adhere to their highest standards and highest quality. A machinist is somebody that works in manufacturing that can take raw material and use a machine tool to remove that material to make a precision part.
Mechanical technician, pretty much you receive all the parts from the machinists, you get a packet of prints, so you have to have a little bit of machining knowledge, welding, inspection, things like that, so that you can take those parts, those prints, and you can put them together how the engineer designed it to.
So here at Astro Machine, I do some welding. That's my main responsibility. We do a bunch of different processes here.
Here's your part, especially made for Astro Machine Works.
Thank you, that's great. It looks just right.
Look at that. Perfect fit. Perfect, it works. Thanks to Astro Machine Works.